Introducing Champion Power Equipment's 8,000 watt dual fuel generator. This unit operates off gas or propane straight out of the box. Great for using on the job or providing emergency backup power around the house. With a reliable Champion 459cc engine, this unit is powerful enough to run large power equipment on the job or everything you need in your home during a power outage. Read your owner's manual to easily get your generator up and running. Open the box to safely access the generator. Attach the wheel kit. Add oil to the generator. Connect the battery. Move the generator outside. Add gasoline to the generator. Or connect your propane supply. And select the fuel source. Start the generator. And plug in your desired equipment. Champion's innovative 8,000 watt dual fuel generator. Your perfect choice for portable, dependable power.